Hello students, welcome to your biology class. We are discussing the chapter here, chemical coordination and integration, in that especially human endocrine system. And today we are proceeding the next gland, that is the pancreas. Pancreas gland consists as heterocrine gland because it contains both exocrine as well as endocrine portion. Means a single gland which produce enzyme as well as hormones. Islets of Langerhans are the portion or the part of the pancreas. These are about 1 to 2 million islets, 1 to 2% pancreatic tissue. Alpha and beta are the cells in the islets of Langerhans secrete peptide hormones such as glycagon and insulin. Glycagon and insulin respectively, they maintain the glucose homeostasis in the blood. Glucagon hyper hyper hyperglycemic factor functions. Glycagon function as act as a hepatocytes and stimulate glyco glycogenolysis, result in an increase in the blood sugar level. Hyper hyper uh, Hyperglycemia stimulate glyconeogenesis, reduce the cellular glucose uptake and utilization. Functions: act as a hypocytocytes and adipocytocytes and enhance the cellular glucose uptake. The utilization: so the blood glucose rapidly move to hepatocytes and adipocytes. Thus blood sugar level is decreased, stimulating glycogenesis. Glucose convert to glycogen. Diabetes mellitus. It is the disorder due to the prolonged hyperglycemia. Symptoms: loss of glucose through the urine and formation of harmful component like ketones bodies. Treatments in insulin therapy. It can be treated with the insulin therapy. Diabetes mellitus. The next gland, that is the uh, gland are gonads. Testes and ovary are the gonads. Testes in the male and ovaries in the female. What you are observing in the slide. Testes, it is a male primary sex organ and endocrine gland also. A pair testes is present in a scrotal sac. There are two testes in a scrotal sac. Testis, it is formed of seminiferous tubules and interstitial stroma tissues. Leading leading interstitial cell is also there. Inner tubular space produce the hormone called androgen, mainly testosterone, adikantara. And the function of testes is the basically regulate the development and maturation functions of the accessory sex organs. Spermatogenesis, sperm production, stimulate the sex behavior, libido, growth of the muscles, hairs, aggressiveness, low pitch voice, etc. are due to this hormone. Help in an anabolism of protein and carbohydrate. Okay. Similarly, the ovary in a female sex, it is a female primary sex organ. Pairs of ovary are located in the abdomen. It produce one ova during each menstrual cycle. Female ಒಳಗ menstrual cycle in ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗ one egg ಅನ್ನು release ಆಗ್ತದ in each menstrual cycle. Ovaries is formed of ovarian follicle and stroma tissues. Ovaries follicle produce estrogen and an steroid hormone. After ovulation, rupture follicle formed a structure called corpus luteum. It secrete progesterone, a steroid hormones. Functions of the estrogen: stimulate the growth and activities of the female accessory sex organs, development of ovaries, female accessory sex character like high pitch voice, sexual behavior, development of mammary gland, all because of the uh, hormone estrogen. Function of progesterone: it support the pregnancy very first. It act on a mammary gland to stimulate the alveoli to production and to secrete to store the milk. And this is the hormones of the heart, kidney and gastrointestinal tract. Aortic wall and heart: it produces the peptic hormones called atride nutritive factor. When blood pressure increase, ANF cause to deletion of the blood and vessels of reduce the blood pressure, means BP will be comes down. Okay. J JGA of the kidney provide erythropoietin, a peptide hormone. It stimulates the erythropoiesis formation of RBC like this. Gastrointestinal tract: it produce some peptide hormones, that is gastrin, secreting gastro intestinal peptide and glycocytokinesis are the hormone produced by gastrointestinal tract. And this also you can take it as it is. Type of the hormones you can look at it: peptide, polypeptide, protein hormones are same, that is insulin, glycagon, pituitary hormones, hypothyroid hormones. Steroid hormones: steroid, cortisol, testosterone, estrogen and progesterone are the steroid hormones. Iodothyronines, adrenal hormones. Amino acid derivatives, adrenaline and non-adrenaline. And this the of course functions of the mechanism of hormones action. You just write it as it is, how it is in your screen. Yes, this is also you take it down. This also similarly it is also the continued functions of the hormones. This is also okay. So with this we have completed this chapter, chemical coordination and integration. Thank you.